Are there aliens?
I guarantee you there is.
What happened? Oh yeah, there's the paint.
There's the mark. The sacrificial firefly.
You did a really good job, actually.
Look at this. I mean, look how smooth this is.
Yeah, no, that looks awesome. I like it.
Full pinkness of this thing.
Wow.
Hey?
Oh, looks good.
Hey?
Pink's a good color.
Yes, yes, we all love pink. Pink for the win. Pretty cool, eh?
Are you gonna call Maddie up to come polish?
Chris wants to come polish.
Oh, Chris wants to. Yeah, his own paint job. Yes. Why can't we take this? It's got a roof on it.
Why is your hair gonna get messed up, man?
It's a little chilly.
It's a little chilly.
It is a little chilly.
Why don't you ever clean up your side of the car?
Lego.
Such a pain.
Is the seat dry at least?
God, you're fussy in the morning. The wind in your, okay, well, not in your hair, but the wind in my hair.
It's nice out.
Beautiful. È una bella, bella giornata oggi.
Morning, Avery.
Hi.
No, wide.
Did you like the movie last night? We just went to go see Disclosure Day.
Oh.
You know what? It was definitely interesting and give you a different perspective to what may be true, what may not be true, or they're either trying to bait us, or something that comes later.
Or they're hiding it.
We went to go see.
I guarantee they're hiding. When you can look up into the sky and tell me how it all works, then I'll believe you. And until then, anything's up for
Discussion.
yes.
Interpretation.
Exactly. Well, not interpretation, discussion. It's not interpreted. It just is what it is.
Yes.
It isn't partial here or there. It is
So
what
are
it
there
is.
aliens? Are there aliens? Did
I
it answer the
guarantee.
question? That's right.
I guarantee you there is.
There's got to be yes.
If you know what,
You think how many billions or trillions of galaxies with billions of stars, and if we're the only ones, we're in big trouble.
I'm just curious about one thing. Do they have any producers there?
What does Matt produce? Nothing but aggravation.
This morning he's going to produce ham and eggs.
Yes, exactly. And then puppies the rest of the day.
Yes, producer.
I bought a wrecked Mercedes that I got to pull a motor and transmission out and trade it partially for another rebuilt motor. So I'll pull it out.
Oh, was that the video I just saw?
It could have been.
A wrecked trading junk for an AMG.
Yeah. I could have opted to go buy a used motor for $5,000
Yeah.
or go buy an already built motor for $11,000.
So, Abe, you haven't learned yet.
Well, I tell you what.
I tell
With
you
the,
what.
with the Mercedes?
So, what are you going to be into that thing for? About 50 grand on a $20,000 car?
Mike, I could have an alcohol. I could have a cocaine habit.
You had all those in the past. You're good.
You like, I got to
Now
spend
you're
my
into
money on something.
Mercedes. Yes.
Spend it on something.
I think Helen would say that was a wise investment.
Well bought.
Yeah,
Well, but-
she'd say a wild investment. Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, shit.
But he's got yogurt.
Them are eggs.
No, those are eggs. Nothing but protein for that
Why
boy.
the f did you order me 3 sausages? Here.
Oh, it said two. Two is an order here. Well, there we go. I'll have that for dessert.
Okay, well, I'm gonna let you guys have your breakfast.
Anyway, nice
yeah,
talking to you.
right.
Is there anything
Yeah.
else over here?
Yeah, right on,
Okay.
man. Okay, guys.
Have a good one. Take care, buddy.
Could I get a little bit of HP?
Absolutely.
I always made sure I watched the show.
Well, like I said, if you ever, like Avery's out on the lake right across from the park.
Yeah.
You ever go and buy in my shop's above the Auto Museum? I live there. If the gate's open, we're there. Stop in. So we're talking about starting a subscription. It'd be $2.99 a month. So you get 1 live a month, 24-hour early access to the videos, and just a bunch of stuff that won't make it onto our regular YouTube videos. You'll also get longer versions and stuff that's never made the channel. If you want to subscribe, go ahead. If you don't want to, no big deal. The channel's not going to change.
Okay, thanks for breakfast.
Yeah, okay, I'll try and stop by there. And you're leaving Wednesday?
Yeah, the 24th.
Okay. You're leaving Wednesday also. You guys leaving together? Are we going straight to...
Yes.
So it's still hard to find rock scalers?
Yes, man, because they finally realized the railroad, you can have a life. These guys are getting tired of working 6 and 1s for 10 months straight.
Yes.
Like, you're never home, you never have a life. These guys are 50 years old and they're still doing it because they can't save fucking nickel. But I mean, there's nobody out there with experience, right? You can't just keep hiring green guys.
Because the railroad knows what the
Well, the railroad doesn't know, but still, it just, you gotta have.
see the program, but can they tell a difference in progress or
No. But it's just, you don't gotta worry about them too much.
Right.
Okay, when we get back, we should do a little video on the drive line and how we're getting a cam and right what we're putting in the fucking Pink Charger.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Like 5 minutes of content.
Yes.
Gotta have a shower tonight in a week, maybe 2 weeks.
What? 2 weeks?
I don't know. It's time. The lady says I stink while I'm up there sweating my ass off. No wonder I stink.
You're a little ripe.
Yes.
Not bad though.
I brush my teeth every day. Wash my face and hands. Okay, I'll see you back there.
Well, I'm gonna see what's going on.
I want to go see the new truck.
Is it here? It's not a Tremor, is it? King Ranch, wow. You guys must be doing really well. Tremor King Ranch for Connor and his crew. How's it going? Mike, am I driving this back?
No, you're not. You're driving the Firefly.
Why do you not trust me?
I do not trust you. Can you afford to give me 100,000?
On the spot? No.
Well, then you don't get to drive it. Can you afford to give me 600?
Yes.
You can drive the Firefly. Another proud, satisfied customer. If there's any warranty work, I'm hunting you down.
So what'd you get, Mike?
I don't even know.
XLT F350 long box.
Long box,
Diesel.
diesel, cloth seats.
Solid work truck.
Yeah, it's got the heavy duty tow package. What else does it have?
Yeah, it has the blacked out rims. It's kind of got blacked out on the sides.
Yeah.
Your bumpers are color coded.
Oh, color coded.
All matching with the paint.
Same nice, same hat.
And then you got the blackout front as well.
Yeah, the black out front.
Yeah, so get the blackout kit with it.
Anyway, it's cool. Anyway, so this will be the only time I get to drive it, Matt. It's my one and only chance to put a dent in it.
Do you have a towel to lay it down on this nice
No,
seat?
it's okay. No, the first thing we do is the guys will
I'll
order
pull it
those.
out for us.
Yeah, pull it out. There's a
Yeah.
chance of me hitting this.
Yeah.
We don't want to give me any options. And then we get a picture of the front of it.
Sure.
Hang on, we'll get a picture of the front of the truck. It's just so much more aesthetically skinny. Come on, right into it. Bam!
That is a long vehicle.
Well, they long box, Matt. There's a reason. Long box. Small brain.
That's nice.
We abuse the producer all the time. We just take them off with the tires and we put on, we've got to have special aluminum offset rims to run down the tracks.
Oh, right.
So we'll be taking them
Gotcha.
off.
Yeah.
They can go up. Are these the same as the 2019, the bolt pattern, or just
Yeah.
Ford? Okay.
You'll be fine.
Okay, here. Now get the handshake in front of the truck. Okay, there we go again.
Video this puppy.
Oh, you want a video, not a photo?
Nah, but whatever.
Okay,
Got it?
Hopefully this thing is as good as the last ones we got because we've driven the crap out of them.
Oh, it'll be just fine.
Yeah, perfect.
Just fine.
No recalls guaranteed, right? Okay, guys.
Okay. Plates are on.
Yeah.
Papers are in there.
Okay, here,
We're
Matt.
ready to roll.
Yeah.
I don't know if you set up Ford Class at all. If you do that or no. Or...
Set up what?
It's
Look how clean this is. You've already dirtied it.
Shut up. Look at that, manual seats. I like that. Nothing for the guys to f up. Right? And actually, I think I've got some, how much have they changed this cab since the 13? It's basically the same dimensions, isn't it?
basically the same dimensions.
Because I bought a bunch of high-tech, like high-tech floor mats for the other one. Oh, that's as far back as it goes. Jesus Christ.
You can lift, yeah, off that, it goes up and down and back.
No, it doesn't. That's
Oh,
it.
up and
Okay, small, little people drive these things. Anyway, let's see, does it start? Ooh.
Smells brand new, Michael.
The first and only time I'll get to drive this truck. Same thing, I buy a brand new hoe, Connor lets me sit in it once. I'm not allowed to turn it on, but I get to sit in it once. He takes a picture, and thanks for that million, Dad. Appreciate it.
Okay, thanks so much, guys. We'll see you later. How does it ride?
Stiff.
Is it?
Yeah, well, it's got the heavy-duty suspension and the overloads. Like I said, this is their basic work truck, which is what we need. We're gonna have to put the stickers, don't kick the rockers like the rental place.
How much?
I think this one was 95,000 all in.
That's not bad. Under 100 grand.
Because it's their base truck, right? And this is the fourth one we bought off them. So, right in the last 3 years.
You're a good customer.
Yeah, some good customer.
Shiny.
Shiny.
You know what's not shiny? You and that car.
See the dent I put in it?
Oh, that's you. You backed in. Are you sideswiped a Chevelle bumper?
No, I just backed into it.
And Chevelle's fine.
I think so. I never looked.
Let's go take a look.
Let's go take a look.
Your keys. Here, take your keys.
Just gotta lock this.
Show me the Chevelle. What happened? Oh yeah, there's the paint.
There's the paint right there. There's the mark. Yes. Sacrificial firefly.
What's that?
The sacrificial firefly.
Did it dent it at all?
No, I barely touched it, not. Barely touched
Oh, you
it.
dented in there.
Yeah, anyway.
So what do you have to do before you leave? So now what's the plan? You
That's
going to
it.
Prince George?
Prince George tomorrow. 3 days there. Well, 2 days. I got to get there tomorrow night. My room's booked. Then we're doing the poker run. Then I think there's drag racing. Then Sunday's the car show.
Okay, cool.
And then hopefully I'm back by Sunday night because Wednesday the Chevelle is heading for the East Coast.
Right, with Avery.
Yeah.
You guys are driving in tandem?
Well, yes. Well, I'm sure. Well, no, I won't keep up with Avery. Avery will be way ahead of me.
Right.
I don't speed in this thing. I just take it easy. It's an old man's car. Anyway, you know what else is cool? Here.
What?
Wow. Yeah, too bad we don't have a little more time. But when Mo comes, we'll throw a door on the Dart.
Oh yeah? Make it look like a car.
Well, I just put the fender on.
Looks good.
Yes.
Amazing how it changes so quickly with the clip.
Well, I mean, like I said, once you put a door on, it'll look like a car. As opposed to what we started with, which was nothing. No, it's come a long way. I mean, as soon as you bolt the door on, there it is. Anyway.
Wicked, yes. So this is not bolted on.
No, I just picked it up and put it on. These are the ones we got off Daryl, A Body Heaven, Lyle's buddy up in Red Deer. These
yeah.
This is where I went for the parts.
Oh, the guy with all the A-boys in the backyard?
Yes.
There she is.
Okay. What do you
Cassidy,
think,
hi.
Cass?
Nice.
Anyway, once I bolt the door on it. Cool. Anyway, here we want to show you something. The final result of the 3 weeks of intense abuse that I subjected you to.
Damn.
Hey,
That does look pretty good.
that's how it looks. I mean, we still got to polish it, but there's 5 coats. He lays it on pretty smooth.
You did a really good job, actually. That's a real nice paint job right out of the gun.
Is that
Look
better?
at this. Look at this. I mean, look how smooth this is.
Yeah, no, that
Right?
looks. Yeah, no, that looks awesome.
But anyway, it looks pretty sick, eh?
Yeah, no, it looks really good.
Yeah, okay. You never seen so much pink in your life.
I like it.
It's pretty wild, eh?
You're living my
When you
dream.
redo your truck, you should do this pink.
Just a
'cause
nice pink. Well, this is like kind of the original pink I had picked
It-
out.
yeah.
But
It came
I like
later.
the soft. Yeah. I like the soft pink I got.
Not much dirt.
No,
But you
there's
gotta
nothing.
look, but well, considering we paint in a sandblast booth,
No, it's.
like he was spraying it as fast as I could mix it.
Yeah, no,
He is quick. Like,
He laid it out basically like glass.
yes, I know. I could have said, why is that black? I mean, you couldn't even see in here. It was so much thing, but it is.
Minimal dust.
Yes.
Like,
Well, like I said, we got 5 coats of clear.
yeah, no, this looks real good.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you approved, Cass. Chris will be so. And what do you think? Go here. No, just it's been sitting there for 3 days. I just fucking scanned it up. Okay. Like normally this would be white.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave it pink.
Hell yeah.
What do you think with the white
Pink
door
everything,
panels?
yeah.
Which part?
Yeah.
Well, this top piece on
So
these
you can't
cars
even
is
see
normally
it, yeah.
white.
There's like a.
Right, like there's a piece
Yeah.
here and a piece here, right? Because this is such a base model,
Yeah.
it didn't have the padded parts, so.
Yeah. No,
but
I think you should leave it pink.
Yeah, I think it's gonna just be stunning, right?
So you're not doing the swap meet, eh?
No, I'm canceled. Well, you were supposed to come to Prince George, but you canceled, so you go to the swap meet.
Yeah, I got a bunch of shit to sell. I ordered t-shirts from your buddy here this morning, so they should be ready for tomorrow.
From Ben?
Yeah.
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 Like Chris said, there was very few things we had to fix, and just, well, he only did the rough blocking, so.
Yeah. Well, I knew the hood had a low here, but
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty good.
I mean, what's different between the way Blair does it and the way Chris does it, and everybody's got their own
Yeah.
methods, but he goes 320, 500 on a feather edge.
Yeah.
And bam, that's it. But I mean, it's just everybody's got their own way. I mean, a lot of guys do it the way Blair does. 600 then painted, but he just says it's well.
Honest, yeah, it's preference. I don't mind,
Yeah.
like, I use a feather edger. But you're so against, Mike used
Yeah.
to not even let us use impact, so, but he was like, oh, well, this guy uses
Yeah,
power
yeah,
tools.
yeah.
It's like, okay, but
2026
we were your
Ford.
employees and you told us not to, so we just did what you said.
Depends who says it to him.
Yeah, that's exactly
Okay.
100%.
Some people.
If you're not an employee of Mike, he'll take your advice. If you're an employee, he never will.
No, I don't take advice. I'm paying him to prep it, the final prep, so I'm not gonna tell him after painting 300 cars how I want him to do it, right? Just like I don't tell, you tell
Yeah,
me
you
what
do.
you're doing. I say something and you just ignore it, Cass, so what's the
Well,
matter?
yeah, I've started doing that and I'm
So
have
what's
way
the
more
matter?
success.
But anyway,
Yeah,
like
no,
I
it's
said,
beautiful. I don't know if I would leave that plastic over it, because if you leave the plastic over it too long, especially on fresh paint, it starts to leave like this.
Oh, right, okay. Well, I didn't want to, I'm leaving it for 6 weeks. I didn't want it covered in dust.
Well, when you come back, blow it off really well
Okay.
and just hose it with water
Yeah,
to get the
okay.
dust off. But this stuff, remember all those cars that we have plastic up during the TV
It
show so
wasn't-
nobody
no,
could
it
see the
wasn't
color?
plastic. It was when we put that sticky cloth on.
No,
remember?
no, it was that, and
Was it?
yeah, and everywhere where the plastic was touching the car, it left like this hue that we had to polish out.
Okay.
Oh, it's one of your top 10 things you love about TV show.
Yeah,
Anyway, it looks so much better with the plastic off anyway.
yeah, no, it's beautiful. It's very nice. I just painted that truck in my shop last night with Endura single stage. I had some oopsies, so I was there late, but it
Whatever.
turned out good.
Yeah. You only learn from your mistakes, Cass. You don't learn from
Well, I didn't prep the truck, and actually we're spraying it in Endura, and so they had prepped it, and there's a couple spots they burned through the existing clear on the truck.
Yeah.
And so when I went, Endura is like a super aggressive solvent paint, and so they have a special sealer that has to go over the top coats, because if you don't put the sealer over the top coat,
It'll eat.
the Endura will eat through. So I sprayed the sealer, but anywhere where they burned through the clear edges swelled after the sealer, so then I had to let the sealer dry. We had to go through there. It's still not perfect, but I mean, it's getting better.
Yeah.
Last night you could really see where they sanded through, and today, as the solvent's dissipated,
Period.
it's actually come back a
shrinking
lot.
back.
So
But man, is there a lot of square footage on this car. It's just amazing how much pink there is. But if it says I should put a white stripe, I don't know. I think the pink is just standalone.
I like it pink.
I-
Well, you're gonna have like the black tires.
Yeah, and I actually have the wing the guy bought for the car.
It's gonna
So-
have chrome. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I forgot about the wing.
Yeah.
Shows you the wing black.
Yeah, well, I mean, they were all black. They didn't have a different color wing, so.
Yeah.
But
I
we'll
don't
see.
think white. I think you should do black.
Yeah. Black stripe.
Yeah, and you got like some black in the chrome lettering. You know how they always have
Yeah.
the black with chrome over top.
What does Avery say? It's beautiful as a gun barrel with the early morning sunlight glinting off it. Hey, thanks, Cass. Appreciate your time. Don't send me a bill.